Hey there. Welcome back. Today, we'll show you just how great a real-time search function can be for an e-commerce site. To create your Ajax search bar, start by selecting a section in the Divi Builder and insert the Ajax Search module. Next, you can set your preferred search result number, customize the placeholder text, and decide what type of content can be used as input for the search bar. Now, head over to the display options, where you can fully customize the search button style, placeholder text, displayed item information, column count, masonry layout, and more. From the category option, you can enable a drop-down in the search bar and pre-select categories to display. The scroll bar option enables a scroll function in the search bar. And that's it, you're done. Click Save and preview the changes to see your search bar live in action. Additionally, Woo Essential offers a robust range of customization options from the Design tab. Under the Search field options, you can customize the search bar's field color, spacing, border, typography, and more. Next, move to the Search button options, where you can style the button with different colors, spacing, text options, typography, and even apply similar customizations to the category dropdown. Now that you're done with all the customizations, click Save and open the page in a new tab to see your Woo Essential Ajax search bar in action. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.